Hi there, so in this video I'm going to talk about the commercial plan. So here on Planify Pro you can choose between two plans, which is the personal plan and the business plan. So if you're planning on selling your planners, please subscribe to the business plan. And then here you also have the option to subscribe to a monthly plan, which is billed every month, or a 3-month business plan, which is billed every 3 months. Or we also have the annual plan, which is just billed once, and that would be $178 in one payment. So on Planify Pro, you can use all planners created by us commercially as is, and you don't have to apply any changes. So here on the hub page, you see that we have different kinds of collections, like for example the Blooming Blossom collection, and next to it says commercially usable. So what we mean by that is that you can use and click on every planner and you can export it as is. You don't have to apply any further changes. However, you can, but that is up to you. So all the planners you see that have the Planify Pro name below the listing can be used commercially. So basically all planners that are here on the hub page. And anything else that is on the create page can be used commercially as well. So this means that you can use all the fonts listed here. You can use them for commercial purposes, all the fonts, and then you can also use all the stickers you see here. So if I activate sticker mode, stickers, and then filter here for all the graphics, so all these can be used commercially as well. Such as animal graphics, or what else do we have? We have so many graphics, Valentine or winter, and all can be used commercially. So the only exception is that you cannot use the graphics which were submitted by creators or our users. So some of our users submitted us their graphics, so they allowed us or gave us the permission to display their graphics on our website, so others can use them as well. And you cannot use them commercially. You will have to contact them on Instagram and ask them if you would like to use them commercially, if you could. However, graphics by Create with Procreate, here is her Instagram account. She actually gave us the permission to use them commercially. So her graphics can be used commercially, and you also don't have to credit her in your work. So this is the only exception where you cannot use them commercially, but anything else, feel free to use them commercially. And then I also want to let you know that when you go to search for planners and you type in or search for let's say weekly planners, you might see a few planners which have not been created by us. For example, those up here, you see the names. These have been created by other users and they've set it to public, which means they made it shareable with other users, and you're not allowed to use their planners commercially. However, if you open up the planner and if you like the idea, please apply further changes to them, such as changing colors, changing patterns, or changing text fonts, move things around so they don't look the same as the original, and then you should be good to go and you should be able to sell them commercially. This only applies to planners which have been created by other users, but this does not apply to our planners we set public here. So let me quickly recap all planners on the hub page right here can be used commercially as is. So let's go quickly back to the policy. So you're allowed to create unlimited amount of projects. You can sell them physically and digitally. You can sell them on Etsy or any other marketplace. You can also sell them on Amazon KDP as well. You can also create planners for your clients. So if you're running a business where you have to create templates or planners for clients, you can do that as well, and also print and distribute them. Then you can also import the finished product into other applications such as GoodNotes, Keynote, Adobe, or any other program. You can also import them into Cricut or Silhouette if you're creating stickers. And then something else, if you sell more than 1,000 items, if you can, maybe please just message us and let us know that you're doing well. We just would like to keep records of how everyone's doing. And you will not be charged. Your subscription will still be the same. We just would like to know if a product has been sold more than 1,000 times, just for us to keep some notes and some records and know what's going on. Then what is not allowed is to create products that only consists of one graphic. For example, you create a planner and you just put a sun graphic on it and export it. That would not be allowed. And you can also not create a planner where you only have the alphabets and letters on it. For example, you list all the letters from A to C and all the numbers from 9 to 10. So this would not be allowed. And then you can also not sell the planners created by other creators, as I've mentioned before. And then you can also not use the planners or templates created here in an application you've developed yourself. So let's say you're a developer and you created a program. You're not allowed to use our templates in your program. However, in those cases, maybe contact us if you are a programmer yourself and you would like to work with us. Just let us know. And then something important to note is that you can create freebies. You can create freebies for your customers and for your business. However, you're not allowed to download all the planners available created by us and distribute them all free on the internet, because that wouldn't be as ethical and that would just be against our policies. But if you're creating planners and freebies to help your business or just for your customers, then you're allowed to do that, and we fully support that. So this was the commercial plan. If you have any more questions to the plan, to the commercial plans, please message me on Instagram or Facebook, or you can also leave a message on our Facebook group, and I will try to respond your questions as quickly as I can. Thank you. Bye.